Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's John Erickson. When it comes to power tools, string trimmers, leaf blowers, hedge trimmers, you name it, I've done it. I grew up landscaping, and way back when my parents didn't give me the option of using those electric or gas powered tools, they said, here's a push mower, here's a rake, here's a broom, and gloves for those hands. Eventually, we did get a gas powered mower, but still, the rake, the broom, those are the tools that we used to clean everything up and make everything look nice. Ripping out the grass along the lines, along the walkways. That's what we did. Since then, I've been able to upgrade to a leaf blower, a string trimmer, a hedge trimmer, and it is an absolute breeze when it comes time to cleaning up the yard and doing maintenance. So I've got some video of me in action. Check it out.